Hey, how's it going?
How's it going?
Good, good.
Do anything new today?
No, not really, but I can show you what I did do. So, there it is.
No way, bro.
What?
This ain't a real cold air intake. It's pulling hot air from the engine bay. You gotta get yourself something better.
You're right. It's about time anyway. Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be replacing this budget $35 intake build for this SLP Ram Air Kit. Let's do it. Let's open the box. Alrighty guys, so we got all the parts laid out before us. Let's get this old intake out and let's get this new intake in. This should be pretty easy. Alrighty guys, so when you're getting this plastic piece off, this piece, after you got the lid part, you're gonna want to get these two pins out. This guy right here and this guy right here. So once you got these two white clips removed, there's two more. One of them on this side should be down there a decent ways, and then one on the other side. I don't think you can see them from here, but they're kind of like these white clips. We just have to pull them out. I used a screwdriver. I already got the other one out. You just have to stick it down in the general area. Just kind of, this plastic piece is probably gonna be the most difficult one to get out. As you can see here, these are the two plastic clips. That's what they look like. They're the same for these ones, but they're flipped around so they go in this way on these ones on each side. Alrighty guys, so it says on the instructions, it says to mark a ½ inch around all the edges here, but since the Ram Air Kit is about 1 inch, we're gonna do 3/4 inch steel here, just to mark it down, to cut it. So we're gonna be cutting all the edges here, but we're also gonna be taking out this middle support, just because it will block airflow right about here.
Well, we reverted to violence. Give her a go.
I do not approve of this. This is not the best way to do it, but the scissors was not working. There she is.
Yoink.
Now time to sand it.
Beautiful.
Here we marked out this piece is the plastic, so that's the other piece. You have to cut from here, cut that part out so that the metal Ram Air tubing can fit. All right, so we got the rest of it cut. Now let's get it in. All right, so after a little bit of struggling, actually a lot of it struggling, we got this plastic piece in. So that's right here, and got all 4 pins punched back into place. So let's get the awesome Ram Air piece in. Look at that. Keep in mind, you have to put because over here, we got the gasket, we got the other gasket for here, and then you also have to get under there so it seals up against the Ram Air piece. So here, you gotta take this thicker gasket they give you. Go ahead and take the sticker off. And go ahead and put it right here. There, just like that. And keep in mind, I also brake clean a paper towel the surface I'm putting the sticker onto so it will stick properly. Once that's done, take it, flip it around, and then you can bolt it back on. Alrighty guys, after about an hour and a half of throwing wrenches and screaming, we got it on. So super tight hose clamp here on the piece that came with the SLP kit, along with, there's no hose clamp here, but it's very tight. It goes to about here. You might be able to see the lump here. That's this rubber piece. And then this is the rubber piece that was stock that goes on the throttle body. You use a hose clamp to get it onto the SLP lid. And then we got, so this is the stock piece. This goes onto the stock lid. And then this goes to the resonator. But obviously none of that's here anymore. So we took and got the air temperature sensor in right there. So that's pretty much it. It's kind of barely on, but it is still technically on and sealed. So we're gonna go take it for a test run and see how it goes. Alrighty guys, so to conclude this video, I have not had any issues with this intake whatsoever, and I've had it on here for about 3 weeks now. Even though there is a lot of tension here, it has not had any issues or disconnected. It's just been an awesome kit, and I've noticed that it took about roughly about 100 miles to for the engine computer to fully recognize how much air is getting in there. So it's making a solid amount more power, like especially on the higher RPMs, higher speeds. So like you're going 80, if you kick it down, you can feel it and it goes a lot faster. So that's awesome. I love that. So yeah, check out the link in the description for the SLP Ram Air Kit. I love it, and it works in the 3800 Series 2 Firebirds. So that is awesome. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.